I have been around for 4.5 billion years. My tears are the flowing rivers. My arms are the majestic mountains. My chest, the great plain. The lakes, they are my brilliant eyes. Some call me the great earth, and others call me nature. All creatures and life, including you, take citizenship in me. In the beginning, everything was harmonious, complementing each other in perfect coexistence. But humans, the most intellect of all creatures, I was hoping you would care for me, protect me. However, you have changed. Not only have you become greedy, you want to own me. Because of your abilities, you trample the weak. Those who cannot speak for themselves were violated, killed, skinned, losing their dignity and life to fulfill your desires. As for me, I have been heavily scarred and damaged by you. When you take everything from me, you neglect me. You have been taking my natural gas, my oil, gold, gems, and more. This planet is for you and all living creatures. But with your greed and self-interest, you have been exploiting me, replacing me with your jungles of high-rises, buildings, and factories. For wealth and riches, you have brutally destroyed my forests. Little did you know, what I have freely given you can never be purchased or exchanged with money. Your cruelty is destroying me. Perhaps you have not come to realize that when I am exhausted, this is destruction to humanity. The floods, landslides, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, and the pandemics are caused by you. Yes, you. To be ahead of others, to gain ownership over things. You wage wars and fights, harming yourselves. You created among yourselves barriers and walls of segregation because of greed. You have forgotten the harmony and peace you once shared with one another. The shadow of war is everywhere. Your history is a record of human competition and self-destruction. This is really sad. Your species may not realize that I am aging and full of scars. As the most intellect of all creatures, you should be loving, wise, and civilized. If you do not reflect and correct your brutal ways, change for the better, I will collapse. You do not see that I am your only home, your refuge and survival. If you continue to disrespect, exhaust, and ignore my calls, you will face extinction. Dearest humans, are you listening to me? My love is fair and equal to all life, including yours. You are given the same air to breathe and share the same sun and moon. All life is equally precious and dignifying. So please, stop the killing. Stop the wars. Love all life as a family. Let all life coexist in the harmonious world of nature. Without nature, without the animals and plants, you cannot survive. Although the animals and plants may not speak your language, but they are a part of me, as they are a part of you. Respect and love their lives as you treasure yours. Stop hurting yourselves and others. Stop the self-destruction. As I am aging, I am asking you to care for me. Let me be healthy to nurture you and provide for you. Only this way, your survival is secured. I cannot speak to you directly with words, but as the most intellect of all creatures, you, human, should show love and sympathy to all. Do not think too highly of yourselves. Do not hurt and trample over other living beings. These arid and uncivilized ways will only destroy life on earth. You see, humans can be the voice of nature. You're the one whom I have entrusted to protect and care for the well-being of nature. So I ask you to search deep within your heart to love your planet, respect life and all creatures. This is, in fact, love to yourself. Dearest humans, are you listening to me? Are you listening?